Hey there, everyone. Summer is right around the corner, and you know what that means? It's the perfect time for teens to start making some serious money with digital products. Forget struggling for those fast food delivery driver or lawn care jobs. While millions of teens battle over traditional summer jobs, the smartest ones are building their own businesses. Beyond just making money, these teen entrepreneurs are building real-world skills and experience that shape their futures. They're investing time and effort in the right places while everyone else is still trying to figure things out. Welcome to the AI Moneyverse. If you're looking to supercharge your digital marketing strategy using AI, you're in the right place. Recently, I came across a fascinating Forbes article about digital side hustles for teens, and it got me thinking about how we can take these ideas to the next level with AI tools. In this video, we'll walk you through 6 amazing digital products that teens can create and sell this summer, and show you exactly how to leverage AI to make them even better and create them faster. Whether you're a teen looking for a summer hustle or someone helping a young entrepreneur, this video is packed with actionable information. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the specific products, let's quickly talk about why digital products are such an amazing opportunity, especially for teens. First, low startup costs. Most of these require nothing more than a computer and the internet connection. Second, unlimited scaling potential. Create once, sell infinitely. Third, location freedom. You can work from anywhere, your bedroom, a coffee shop, or while traveling. Fourth, skill building. The skills you'll develop creating these products are incredibly valuable for future careers. And finally, they're perfect for teens with limited time and resources. You can work on these between classes, on weekends, or during summer break. So to summarize, digital products are your golden ticket. Low startup cost with skills you can cash in on right away. And when you add AI to the mix, you're basically unlocking creative superpowers that let you compete with professionals from day one. Now, let's get into the 6 digital products that teens can create and sell this summer. Our first digital product is print-on-demand merchandise. This is huge right now, and the best part? You don't need to handle inventory or shipping. Here's how it works. You create designs that are printed on t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and more. When someone buys your product, the print-on-demand service prints your design, ships it to the customer, and you get paid the difference between your selling price and their production cost. Platforms like Printful, Printify, and Redbubble make this super easy, and many integrate directly with Etsy or Shopify so you can start selling quickly. Here's where AI comes in to revolutionize this process. With tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI, you can generate unique designs by simply describing what you want. For example, if you type pixel art cat astronaut with galaxy background, the AI will create exactly that. This is perfect if you're not confident in your design skills. You can also use ChatGPT to research profitable niches. Just ask something like, what are trending t-shirt niches for teen gamers in 2025? And you'll get fantastic market research instantly. Let's talk earnings potential. A well-designed t-shirt might cost $8 to $10 to produce and can sell for $20 to $30. If you sell just 10 shirts a week, that's $100 to $200 in weekly profit. Not bad for something that takes minimal time once set up. Let's talk real results. A 16-year-old made over $3,000 last summer, selling AI-generated K-pop fan stickers, and guess what? She only worked around 10 hours a week. The second digital product that's absolutely booming is social media templates. These are pre-designed posts, stories, reels, or TikTok transitions that businesses and creators can customize for their own accounts. With everyone trying to maintain a consistent aesthetic and post regularly, templates save people tons of time. And teens. You have a massive advantage here because you understand social media trends better than most adults. You can sell these templates on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, or even directly to local businesses. Here's how AI supercharges this business. Canva now has AI features that can help generate template ideas and designs. You can input a brand style and ask for variations, saving hours of design time. For captions and copy, AI writing tools can generate dozens of options that you can include with your templates as a bonus feature. Here's a sneak peek inside Canva. This is the exact template pack you'll get. Everything's drag and drop, fully customizable and designed to look professional right out of the box. For earnings potential, template packs typically sell for $10 to $30, and the beauty is you create them once and can sell them unlimited times. A good pack might sell 5 to 10 copies per week once you build up reviews, giving you $50 to $300 weekly with minimal ongoing work. Pro tip: look for trending aesthetics on Instagram and TikTok, then create template packs that match these styles. Right now, Y2K, minimalist, and coquette aesthetics are huge. Our third digital product is digital planners and journals. These are specially formatted PDF files that people use on tablets with apps like GoodNotes or Notability. The market for these is enormous, with students, professionals, and hobbyists all looking for specialized planners for academics, fitness, budgeting, habit tracking, meal planning, and more. Here's where AI comes in. AI can help you organize and structure your planner in the most logical way. Ask Claude AI something like, design a comprehensive study planner for high school students, and you'll get detailed page suggestions. For covers and decorative elements, image generation AI can create custom illustrations that make your planners stand out. Here's what a digital planner looks like in action: swipeable pages, clickable tabs, and beautifully designed layouts, all accessible on a tablet with apps like GoodNotes or Notability. Earnings potential is excellent here. Digital planners typically sell for $5 to $15, but premium comprehensive ones can go for $20 to $40. Many successful planner creators report selling 20 plus copies per week, especially during back-to-school season. One clever strategy is to create planners for specific niches that are underserved. For example, a planner specifically designed for dance students or young athletes could really stand out in the marketplace. The fourth digital product is online courses and tutorials. Now you might be thinking, teens are just teenagers? What could they teach? But that's exactly their advantage. Teens have unique skills and perspectives that people want to learn from. Think about what teens are good at: gaming strategies, TikTok growth hacks, study methods, makeup techniques. These are all valuable skills that others want to learn. Teens can create and sell these courses on platforms like Teachable, Skillshare, or even directly through a simple landing page with Gumroad. Here's how AI helps create better courses faster. Use AI to generate a comprehensive course outline. Input something like, create a detailed outline for a beginner's course on Minecraft building techniques, and you'll get a professional structure to follow. AI can help write scripts for videos, ensuring all important points are covered and concepts are explained clearly. Video editing: AI tools like Descript can clean up audio, create captions automatically, and even help edit out mistakes. Here's an example of what a well-organized course outline looks like: clear modules, step-by-step lessons, and engaging content that keeps students motivated. And this is a typical course platform interface like Teachable or Skillshare, where your students can easily navigate through lessons, track their progress, and interact with the material. Having a clean, user-friendly layout makes learning simple and enjoyable, which helps you build a loyal audience and boost your sales. The earnings potential here is significant. Mini courses can sell for $20 to $50, while comprehensive courses can command $100 to $200. Even if only selling a few per week, that adds up quickly. Plus, courses often become passive income streams that sell for years. A 17-year-old created a course teaching other teens how to improve at Fortnite. He made over $5,000 in his first summer, despite having a relatively small following of just 2,000 TikTok followers. Our fifth digital product is digital art and AI-assisted art. This includes everything from illustrations and wallpapers to digital stickers and NFT collections. The market for digital art is massive, with people buying art for personal use, social media, and business purposes. And with AI tools, teens don't need to be traditional artists to create stunning visuals. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and specialized marketplaces make selling digital art easy. Here's how AI revolutionizes digital art creation. Tools like Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, and Stable Diffusion can generate base images from text descriptions that can then be refined and customized. Style transfer techniques let you apply artistic styles to photos or basic drawings. Make sure to use AI tools with proper licensing for commercial use. And always add your own creative input rather than just using AI-generated images directly. For earnings potential, digital art pieces typically sell for $3 to $15 each, but can be bundled into packs for $20 to $40. Some artists report selling 30 or more items weekly once they build up a catalog and reputation. One strategy that works well is creating themed collections, like cyberpunk cityscape wallpapers or cute animal sticker pack, rather than random individual pieces. Our sixth and final digital product is mobile apps and simple games. Now, this might sound advanced, but hear us out. With no-code platforms, teens can absolutely create functional and sellable apps. Platforms like Adalo, Glide, and Bubble allow you to create apps without coding. For games, tools like Construct3 and Gdevelop make game development accessible to beginners. Here's how AI enhances app and game creation. AI-assisted coding tools like GitHub Copilot can help with any custom code you might need to add. Character and asset generation for games becomes much easier with AI image tools. ChatGPT can help write app descriptions, marketing copy, and even generate ideas for features. The earnings potential varies widely. Apps can monetize through purchases, typically $1 to $5, subscriptions, or in-app advertising. A moderately successful app might make $100 to $500 per month. Games typically earn through ads or in-game purchases. A 15-year-old created a simple habit tracker app specifically for teen students that has been downloaded over 10,000 times and generates about $300 monthly through a premium version. Now that we've shared these 6 digital products, let's talk about how to get started. Here's our 5-step process. Step 1. Choose one product type to focus on. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick the one that aligns best with your skills and interests. Step 2. Research market demand. Look at what's selling well on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Use AI to help identify trending niches and keywords. Step 3. Create a sample product. This doesn't need to be perfect, but should showcase your abilities. Use AI tools to enhance your creation. Step 4. Set up your selling platform. Whether it's an Etsy shop, Gumroad page, or course platform, make sure it looks professional with good descriptions and images. Step 5. Implement basic marketing. Share on social media, especially platforms where teens are influential like TikTok and Instagram. Create content showing how you made your product or how it can be used. Before we wrap up, let's emphasize why using AI tools gives teens a massive advantage. First, speed. What might take an experienced designer hours can be done in minutes with AI assistance. Second, quality. AI can help create professional-level products even without years of experience. Third, overcoming skill limitations. Not a great artist? AI can help. Not a confident writer? AI can assist. Finally, staying competitive. The digital marketplace moves fast, and AI helps keep up with trends and produce content quickly. There you have it. 6 incredible digital products that teens can create and sell this summer, all supercharged with AI tools. Let's recap. Print-on-demand products, social media templates, digital planners and journals, online courses and tutorials, digital art and AI art, mobile apps, and simple games. Summer is the perfect time to start because teens have more free hours and less competition from school. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to the AI Moneyverse for more content on making money with AI. Drop a comment letting us know which digital product you're most excited to try. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and keep crushing it.